I love elephants. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. What's up, guys? Welcome back. OMG, it's been quite some time, you know? It feels like we were just recording for like Thanksgiving and getting ready for Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day, Black History Month. And we're in the month of March already. What? Is it just me, or does it feel like January and February, like it just flew by? But we tell the Lord thank you that we're still here in the land of the living, and we are blessed. I'm actually going to a baby shower tomorrow, so I'm not sure if I'm actually going to record once I get there. If they say yes, then I will bring you guys along. If not, then you guys will just get probably maybe some pictures, not necessarily a video. I got a lot of goodies. I'm super excited. I like going to baby showers. I like giving gifts. I like just creating the whole, what is all that back there? Hold on, y'all. All right, guys. So, first of all, Jessica loves kids, okay? If I purchase a gift like a baby shower, I like to figure out like a theme, everything to match with the baby. You don't have to, but I like for everything to like blend and be cohesive. And the couple that I'm going to be supporting tomorrow, they're actually having a girl. So, once I saw this little fuzzy blanket, baby, I said, yeah, we're going to go with this color pink. This is it. Yeah. So, just a heads up, I love elephants. I love elephants. Normally, whether it's a girl or a boy, whoever I'm shopping for, they're going to get something with an elephant on it. Elephants on like baby prints and stuff. It's so stinking cute. So, I found this, and I was like, why not? Animal print. It has elephant print on it. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Don't get emotional. Just get yourself together. Oh my goodness. We just started this vlog. Why am I getting emotional? What the heck? Look at this, y'all. Isn't this cute? Ah! Look at the little bows. And some have like rhinestone, little lace. Baby, she gonna be fancy, okay? Look at this. Yes. I don't know why stores don't carry like solid color onesies anymore. Look at this. Look at the little ruffles on top. I said, oh my God, look, you got a little bow detail in there. You got some flower print. I do like flowers too. I don't know if my mama like flowers or not, but I think the little baby would be cute in it. And this one had one solid pink, and these one had the solid prints. Super cute. Look at this, y'all. I was like, baby, look at these little booties. Look at this. Y'all can't tell me this ain't cute. And then he come with the little headband to match the little socks. So cute. They actually 3 hooded towels. I thought they were just like a regular towel. So they hooded, and they got 3 washcloths in them too. We did put on her registry that she's going to use this brand. I think it's called Dref. I think it's called Dref though. But it has a laundry stain remover, bottle and dish soap, and an all-purpose cleaner. And it's like a little to-go kit. I thought this was so cute. So that she can probably put in like the baby bag. Burp cloths with 3 different ones. It has a little rattle. And look at this. So, and I didn't get everything at one store. So a lot of this stuff is just blended well. And I'm excited about it. Okay? I was on a hunt for these water wipes, like Target and stuff, but I haven't been shopping at Target or Walmart in a while, so I had to try to find it elsewhere, and I actually found it at Jewel's, and they come with a 4-pack of water wipes, and she put this on her registry as well, that these are the wipes that she wants to use. And on a hunt to find, oh no, the pack popped open. Too much pressure, all the stuff in the bag. But I found a super sooty, the little binkies, wrap covers, and a travel pillow. And of course it has elephants on it, so we had to get it. I said, oh, this is cute. The baby needs it. Some washcloths. Last but not least, I am a person who loves arts and crafts. I believe she's into arts and crafts stuff because she also had her own candle making business. So I was like, I think she actually used this gift. It's called Baby's Print Keepsake. And you put the little baby hand print. Oh my God, this is so stinking cute. And you baby, I see you baby. And you put, Jessica, you done got excited. You gave me talk. You press the baby hand or foot into the clay, and you use the shape to cut it. and then you string with the ribbon to show off the baby print. Super cute. And I felt like they would actually use it, so I was like, yeah, this is a great gift. I hope they use it. The meal you can use it just to maybe go in the baby room, or have like on your mantle or on the baby dresser. I'm sure they're able to figure out however they want to do it. That's it, and then we're gonna wrap everything and put some little tissue paper in these little cute bags that I picked up as well. I did find them on my phone now. Oh, hold on. The gifts, only thing I wasn't able to get was that I wanted to get that she had on the list were those baby bottles. My sister them had their babies. They started off with the glass bottles, and I couldn't find the glass bottles in the store. So how it goes when it comes to babies, if you should use the plastic or use the glass. Listen, I'm nobody's parent. I'm a good old auntie, okay? The most we know is from just other people's experience. I don't know from personal experience on what I should buy and not buy when it comes to that area. But if it's in the Lord's will, one of these days I become a parent. I used to say back in the day, like, I want to have a family with like 6 or either have 6 kids. Right about now, I don't know. I have no idea what the future holds, but and what my husband will want. We in 2025 right now. Husband, if you out there somewhere, I don't know how many kids you want, but I used to say 6, a family of 6. So maybe have 4 kids and then me and you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't know if the number's gonna be 6 anymore. Maybe 2, so a family of 4. So me and him, and then 2 more little ones, maybe a boy or girl. I don't know. Which I keep y'all posted. We be able to come out to this video and be like, you remember in 2025 what you said? And yeah, I feel like if I was to have a baby, I've always said, and my sister used to be like, and my cousin was like, girl, we know if you have a baby, you want an elephant theme. Yes. Either elephant, most likely elephant theme, but I do like the idea of when people do like their little teddy bears. But I feel like because I love elephants so much, it would probably be an elephant theme baby shower. If not themed, the baby's bedroom most definitely gonna be like the elephant theme. It don't necessarily have to be like the full blown elephant. It can be like the silhouette style. But yeah, long story short, yeah, this is the things that we purchased for the baby shower. I hope she likes. I hope that they like the gifts that I purchased. I'm gonna wrap everything up, and then maybe tomorrow when I get up and get dressed, we're gonna flip the bun up again and get all dolled up. We're gonna put some makeup on tomorrow too. So, and I haven't did glam in a while, so we're gonna get all glammed up, put on some clothes, and we're gonna go outside. The girl ain't been outside in a minute, so I'm excited to see everybody because I have not seen them in months. Like, I have not seen them at all. So I look forward to see all the other girls and everybody hanging out and catching up. I look forward to seeing them tomorrow. I'm super excited. I'm nervous at the same time because it's like, it feels like a reunion almost, because we all actually used to work out together and we haven't worked out since what, May or June. So I'm excited to see everybody tomorrow. I'm excited to see them get showered with gifts, know that they are loved and that this baby is loved already. Even if you see this video, Jerica, I hope that you love your gift. I hope that you have an amazing delivery. This baby's gonna be amazing. We're gonna be amazing parents, and yeah, I'm going to stop now because you know your girl gets real emotional real quick. It don't take. It don't even take a lot. Jerica, girl, you have the baby. Yeah. I'm gonna give me a second. We're good. On that note, we're gonna end the vlog here, and then pick up tomorrow. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, and